Today, I'm going to walk you through how to combine multiple Tableau workbooks. If you're working with Tableau, you've probably found yourself juggling several workbooks simultaneously. Maybe you've got different data sources, or perhaps you're trying to consolidate reports for a comprehensive analysis. Whatever the case, merging these workbooks can streamline your workflow and enhance your data visualization capabilities. So let's dive in and simplify this process. First, start by navigating to tableau.com. This is where you'll access the Tableau interface. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the Tableau homepage, you'll want to sign in if you haven't done so already. Having your Tableau account logged in makes it easier to access and manipulate your workbooks. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the Recent section. This area displays your most recently accessed workbooks, making it a convenient starting point. Browse through the list and select the workbook you want to open by clicking on it. This action will bring the workbook into focus, ready for you to begin the merging process. Now that your workbook is open, locate the worksheet option in the top left corner of the interface. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your worksheets. What you want to do next is click on New Worksheet. This step is crucial because it creates a fresh canvas for you to work on, allowing you to combine data without altering your existing worksheets. With your new worksheet ready, the next step involves managing your data sources. Look towards the top left corner again, but this time, click on Data. This action will open another drop-down menu. From here, select New Data Source. This is where you'll start integrating data from other workbooks. By choosing New Data Source, you're effectively telling Tableau to incorporate additional data sets, which is a foundational step in combining workbooks. By following these steps, you'll be able to bring in new data sources from other workbooks, enabling you to merge and analyze data collectively. This process is not only efficient, but also enhances your ability to draw comprehensive insights from multiple data sets. Remember, merging workbooks can significantly enhance your data analysis capabilities by providing a more holistic view of your data. As you practice these steps, you'll find that your efficiency in managing Tableau workbooks improves significantly. The ability to seamlessly combine multiple sources into one cohesive workbook allows for a more robust and insightful analysis. Plus, it saves you time and effort, which is always a bonus. That's it for this tutorial on combining multiple Tableau workbooks. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to mastering this essential skill. Don't forget to practice and explore more features within Tableau to further enhance your data visualization skills. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.